Now we're gonna mount it. I just got through holding it. I just got through finishing up some spraying outside, so that's why I had the mask on. So now she's got to get back to school. She just wanted to say hello.
Yeah.
Oh, you did say hello.
I did.
Oh, why do you have on a raincoat to say hello?
Because I didn't take it off when I came back in time to get my webcam.
Ah, okay. All right. So
Okay. Well, not
now we're gonna mount the vise, and that's it.
Right.
All right, back to school. Tell them bye.
Excuse me?
Y'all, I have to live with this every day. Oh, the only thing we don't have is a bolt. Let me turn this heater off over here. It's now hot in here.
Okay.
Don't have the bolts here. Alright. We're going to mount the vise right here. So I need to mark the base, because the base will go right here, and I have to relieve that corner so it doesn't rock. Yeah, we'll just put it right in between those. So right there, and under there. There's 2 2x4s right here. Might not need 3. And go all the way back. Right, there's 1 bolt hole there. And so if I got one, let me just slide that one back. Alright, so now the next thing we have to do is we have to determine the difference between the thickness here and the thickness here. And I'll take my combination square and slide it under there. See if it. Alright, so now I can come along right here. And that's the bottom. That represents the back side of the plywood, and that should measure somewhere in the neighborhood of, what measures 5/8. That may have been 5/8 plywood. I can't see the ink. The ink is all turned down. So anyway, doesn't matter. Who cares? I don't. So now we're going to put this little piece right here on that line and mark under it. I have to chisel off that amount for these 2 for the reliefs. So actually what I'm going to do, and I'm going to lay down on the floor because I'm not going to be able to chisel this upside down. Plug it in. Plug it in over there where the drill press is plugged in, but let me have it under here. I'll hand you the cord. Well, I guess, here you go. Go over the top of that thing right there.
Lost it. No food.
Hey, I can see what it looked like on the monitor.
Looks bright under there.
That's what I hope.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And it's straight.
Huh?
Look, it's like a curve right here and then it goes straight. Tiny curve. Here you go. See y'all later.
Hey, Tara. I forgot something.
Yes.
I forgot to get the sander.
Oh, you can sand.
I know. I was messing with you, but I don't want to be here all day.
Where's the sander?
I don't know. You were using it to sand that board with.
Ah. Okay, hold on. Yeah. He wants to be here all day. So I plugged in.
Hey! Vacuum cleaner. Clicker. Give me the clicker. Here.
Sir.
Alright, I need an 1/8" drill bit,
Yes, sir.
battery drill,
Yes, sir.
impact driver,
Yes, sir.
and that block of wood that I ripped down, where is it at? Is there a block of wood laying right here?
Right here.
In here. Yes. Alright, I need the Pro Mod, or the Tight Mod. If you drop that on my head and scare me one more time, I'm going to beat you 5,000 times.
5,000?
5,000 times. Y'all see what I put up with? She threatens me. So look at her. Threatening me with a power tool. I don't know if that's gonna. I don't know if this glue's gonna stick to that at all. But we're gonna try it. All right, I need the impact driver and 3 or 4 long 3-inch screws. Uh-oh.
Impact.
There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I need a rag, Sheriff.
Okay, Raggy. Excuse me. Raggy.
Oh, crap. Here. Hold on. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Got it over here anyway. Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Maybe 3-inch out of the brown. There's a box I've already set down somewhere over here. 3-inch wood screws. Can you hand them? Can you hand me the camera and the handheld for a minute?
Hand you the camera?
Yeah. Instead of the camera. Yeah.
Watch out, guys.
Alright, so now I can't turn this is the front of the bench. This is the trim piece on the front. And so I'm adding this to get enough width to hold everything under here. And I'll shoot some 3-inch screws through here and through here, and then the 4 lags will go up through this piece and up to this piece right here.
Okay.
But I just thought I'd show you what this looked like under here. And then the rods will go back like this, like my fingers, they'll go back. Like that right there.
I'm coming.
You have a clamp? Quick clamp? So I quick get busted in the face.
Yes, that would be great. And I'm very bad. Oh.
Ooh, miss that drip. Oh, you got the drill?
Yes, sir, the drill. Put the bit in.
Baby, it's already in the impact driver. I need the impact driver. I need the screws.
Oh, I thought you needed a drill too.
I do, but not right now.
Oh,
Ah. we're gonna get those big silver screws. Go see if a number 3 bit fits a bit better.
Those big silver screws.
Yeah, the ones in the screw box.
Oh, you said. Here it is.
No, not these. The countersunk ones, the one that look like this. That's a pan head. Don't ask me why they call that a pan head, because it don't look like any pan I've ever cooked out of.
Well, it looks flat. Okay. Sorry about these.
I got some bigger ones in there. Oh, here, hold that. Let me see the container. Wrong container. Get the other one. I wonder why you wasn't picking the right screws out. I need one more black screw. Ow. That ain't gonna way worse. Flip. We'll go in this way though. Impact driver. Another impact. Another big screw. I need 3 more big screws.
Anything else you need from me?
Yes.
What else?
Look. Oh no, I could have been killed.
Children. I fed up with you.
Alright, now we got to put 2 in right there. That looks pretty flush right there. That looks good.
Can we get one more? Yeah. I need 2.
You want to put them in?
I guess so.
Alright, we'll run you. Where's your drill?
What?
Battery drill.
Oh, the battery drill. Here you go. Found it.
Alright, right through the middle, drill your hole, nice and straight. Pull your sleeves back. Ah! Straight.
Right there.
Yeah. Go ahead, pull the trigger. Alright, pull it out, clear out your hole. Pull it, keep it running. Go ahead. Keep it running. Pull it out. Keep it running. Alright, pull it out. Alright, do that one. Alright, do that by yourself. Keep it running. You don't put your head on the trigger or on the chuck. See? Go on, pull the trigger. Pull it out. Alright. Slide it back. Remember, you got somebody working under there. Alright, where's your impact driver? Right there.
Where's the other screw?
In my hand, but you can't put but one in at a time. Gotta go slow. That's not gonna go down over it. Go.
I get the bit.
The bit's in it, baby.
No, how to get it straightened up.
Push hard.
I can get it.
What have you done? Alright, jump up. You have to push.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, now I need the nut. Where's the big nut?
It's over here.
Right here?
No, sorry.
Okay.
That's
I need a big threaded rod.
Big threaded rod. There you go.
Oh, I bet that sticks.
Not working?
No. Okay, I need you to get me the grinder. I see a problem right now.
Alright, let me get it outside.
Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, it'll knock it off.
Fix it?
Yeah. Alright, now I need the sandpaper. Where's that at, baby? That piece of sandpaper you had in your hand. Is it around me? I can't see up on them. I can't see behind me.
Oh, I see it. Right here.
Alright, now I just want to sand this so that knob will go back on without Alright. Now, where's the rest of the vise?
The big, the one with the rods and stuff inside of it?
Yeah.
Me.
So you can actually put a pin in here so that you don't pull it out and snatch it out over your feet.
Wow. And this will go on there. And it does. Oh, you're kind of stuck.
I was stuck. I'm glad you think that's funny sitting on me.
I know. It is.
Well, I don't find it funny.
I always do this.
This is all the same size.
The same size?
They're pretty close to it. All within a 16th of an inch of each other or something.
Yeah.
I need an 1/8 inch roll pin, and I don't have it.
I don't get a card key.
You quit kicking me.
I didn't kick, but I'll hit.
You better go home, or I'll throw you out.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
No.
Oh, wait a minute. Y'all got to put your safety shield on for safety. Let me just take y'all off, go freehand for a minute, and see if I can show y'all this. Watch this nut right here. See, it pushes back and then drops and it spins over. Now once it spins over, I can pull it. Well, I'll go a little bit more. There we go. Once it spins over, now I can pull it. As soon as I start screwing on it, now there's paint on there. You've seen the nut not work the first time. There's paint on it. And when that rubs off, it'll go back to working. And then you can put, then it pulls forward. You come to help? You come to help? You over there and play. Alright, well, back to what I was talking about. And then when you back it off, it runs back and puts pressure on it, but the drag of the nut will eventually well, it's just got paint on it, but it does work. See, it'll drop out. But right now it's got paint back here that'll have to polish off, paint on the end of this nut that'll polish off, paint right here that you can see has already been knocked off right here. So when that goes over, see, so there we go, that, but it's working. So what, if I have to screw it out, if I have to screw it all the way out, that's fine. Alright, now let's that was supposed to be a smooth transition. Hello.
Oh, he gets 11 on you now. this, right?
Yeah, we'll have to get that paint off of there.
Hi, kitty. You hanging out with us? Huh?
You push it up, then you could.
Tighten it up.
Oh, you could pull, buddy. You could put some tight on it, and it'll come right back out. And
Let me play with it. I want to play with it. Yay. Beep, 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 beep. So we need to clamp some wood together now.
well, it's a vise, not a clamp.
What we do?
You wouldn't want to glue things up in it. You get glue all over it.
What we use it for? Your tool, which is gonna be my tool. So every tool you get, it becomes my tool. Also, so just saying.
I hear you. All right, tell the nice people from the floor of the Scott Tunnels Home Shop. I'm Scott saying, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And just here. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to click the like button.
So you get notified every time we upload
I was
a
already
video.
said that. See there, you weren't listening. Ha ha. Bye.